We in the GTR again today, and I have this. I got the bag. Well, not really, there's no bag, but I got the stuff. Last year I used this on my GTR I used the whole thing. I don't think I should have, but it says here, overdosing is not harmful. So I should be fine, right? I'll use like half this time around. But yeah, I have to store this thing. I have to put it away for the winter, unfortunately. But you know what? I got some other plans coming up for my other car, so we'll see how that goes. All right, everyone, it is time for me to start putting this thing away for winter. This has been a journey with this car so far, but thank you for joining me on it. And yeah, let's start. First thing I want to do is clean these wheels. Yeah, there's so much brake dust on these wheels, so I'm gonna go clean it really quickly and show you a before and after shot. I'm just gonna hose it down. I have some add-in polishes, wheel cleaner. It works really well. Yeah, shouldn't take too long to do all the wheels and go from there. Guys, I'm just gonna do one wheel first before you, so I don't bore you too much. Here's the setup. I got add-in polishes, wheel cleaner, tire brush. That is it. So what I like to do is just hose down the wheel, hose down the brush. All right, go over it really quickly with the brush just to kind of agitate everything, you know. Just make sure you get it in a bunch of the crevices and all that stuff. This stuff does smell kind of weird. It's not always the best smelling stuff, you know, but and then just take your brush again and go over the wheel. And there you go. Ah, looks pretty good. Definitely cleaner than before. And just like that, all the wheels are done. That looks pretty good. That looks good. Nice and clean. I think now I'm gonna go get some gas and put in that fuel stabilizer. Also, side note, I'm using the iPhone 16 Pro Max to film this instead of my GoPro. I want to see if this quality is any better. And yeah, hopefully just, you know, up my content game. I'll get some gas, come back, clean it, and then, yeah, store it for the winter. I'll have to take off the wing too today, I think. I'll do that. All right, so let's go do that. I am at the gas station. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. I'm gonna add in my fuel stabilizer and then fill it up. Yeah, no, give me a second. This is not gonna go well. Okay. That was a f***ing mission to get that open. All right, let's see if I can get this in. Okay. Yeah, that should be enough. All right, let's add some gas. There's no handle thingy. Oh, that sucks. Well, let's see how much that's gonna be. So it kind of just drank it all up. The fuel stabilizer, it kind of just like, it chugged it all into there. So yeah, that's interesting. You can stop now, sir. You can stop. You don't have to keep going. You're gonna keep going, aren't you? Oh. Oh no, I'm about to add in some more fuel. Fuck. Okay, it's just gonna take that much. All right, I'm not gonna. All right. Well, shit. I have a tire inflator. Look how clean that wheel is now. Oh my god. Crazy what a difference, eh? 45 it is. And now I'm gonna do the rest, so I won't bore you guys with that. All right, so just 4 bolts holding it on here, 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 and here, and it just comes right off. I might have to get my dad to help me lift it. There you go. All right. That's loose. The other ones. Uno momento, please. Okay. Thank you. It's so light. Oh my gosh. Okay. That looks crazy to me. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go quickly wipe down the car. Yeah. Next step in storing my car, I'm using some silica gel packs for moisture. So I've already put some down on the ground where the car normally sits. So I'll put some here. I'm gonna put some inside my car with moisture. Now the thing about this is you don't want to put it on carpet because it will stain it. This is the battery tender that I use. It's really good. I've had it for like 2 years already and I've never had an issue. And there you have it. The battery tender has been hooked up. I'm just gonna leave it here. All right, there you go. One in the trunk, one in the driver's side, one in the passenger side. There you go. One in the cabin. You don't want to leave the handbrake up if you have a automatic. It puts too much tension on the brake lines, so just keep it down. And the last thing I need to do is put the car cover on, which is going to be a bit of a hassle. So let's get to it. I'm going to miss driving this thing a lot. You're going to hear me say that in future videos. You can guarantee that. But man, it just looks so good. Big plans for next year. So I'm hyped. I am hyped for next season. Yeah. All right, let's go put that car cover on. That was a mission. Putting a car cover with one person takes a bit of time. And that is it. She is ready for winter. I don't think I missed anything. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you. I'll see you next one. There's no more GTR content for a bit, but stay tuned for a Honda Fit video. That's coming soon. I have big plans for that. So thank you so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one and drive safe.